Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And this one is for Valentine's Day, so let's get started.
As always, we start out with a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. I already had some red buttercream left over from another project, and some I left white, but the rest I colored 2 different shades of pink. One had twice as much food coloring as the other. Then I put all the buttercream in piping bags with large round tips. I started piping the sides. This is called a peddle technique. Basically, you just pipe a blob and smear it in one direction. I alternated the colors and put them in an ombre order. I think this is really striking. I love the contrast in the ombre. It really says Valentine's Day. This is a bit time consuming, but you just continue the pattern all the way around the cake. Then I did the next side, and the next, and the next. Then I continued the petal technique with a large heart in the middle of the cake. Then I used the pink buttercream to make small hearts. These are just 2 petals tilted towards each other, and it becomes an instant heart. It's so pretty. I didn't want to make more hearts with the white because I don't think you could see them anyway, so I just piped a few dots for a bit of texture. I love this cake. It's so pretty, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. What could be more romantic than pink and red hearts? Happy Valentine's Day! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to find out about new videos.